Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open YouTube Studio on mobile. Quick one, you come to Google Chrome. Once you open up Google Chrome, the next step is to obviously open up a new tab. Now once you've opened up a new tab, you then come over here to the search bar. But before you go to the search bar, first come and tap on the three dots over here. Then tap on settings. Tap on the three dots over here. Then after that, tap on settings. Now once you tap on settings, come to privacy and make sure this incognito is turned off. Once it's turned off, come to search bar, then search for YouTube Studio. Run the search. After running the search, tap on the three dots again, scroll down, choose desktop site. Once you choose desktop site, it will then adjust to that. Open the first website. Now once you open the first website, if you've already installed Studio on your phone, it will then open up your YouTube Studio. If you haven't, come to Google Play Store, open the Google Play Store itself, go ahead and search for Studio. Studio. Let me type it again. Studio. And then open this. If you have it, go ahead and update it and then run it. So basically that's it. Subscribe.